Hello everyone. Let's try to solve an absolute value problem like this one right here by graphing it, by using a graphing calculator. In this video we are using TI-Nspire CX-CAS, but it can be any other graphing calculator more or less. Even those that you can find online should be able to do this. So if we want to solve this without doing algebra, we want to actually just solve it graphically, what we need to do is we copy one of the sides. Let's say we decided to copy the left-hand side. We copy it, and then we go into our graphing, onto our graphing page, which can be done by clicking here or by clicking right there, right here, right? So it just toggles between the two. Now, if there is no line that we can use to type in our equation, our expression, then we just hit tab and it shows up. Now what we need to do is paste or just type in the stuff. By the way, if you want to type in absolute value, it's right here, right? It's right there. But in this case, we already have it. So, and what we need to do, hit enter, and our graph shows up, right? So let's just move this down a little bit more. Maybe we want to zoom in a little bit too. So it's right there. Now we go back to our equation and then we copy the right hand side. Now again, it doesn't have to be copied, we can just type it in. But let's say I wanted to copy it, and then we hit tab so we can type that stuff back in, and looks like it doesn't want to paste. Okay, there it is. We paste it, we hit enter, we get our second graph, the red one. Now the solution is always where the two graphs intersect, right there. Now all we need to do is find the point of intersection. To find an intersection on this calculator, we go to menu, and on this calculator, whatever you need, more or less, you're going to find it by clicking menu, but there are also quite a bit of shortcuts. But let's just use the menu. So we go to menu, we go to 6, analyze the graph, and then we choose intersection, right? We find intersection. This vertical dotted line is going to show up. We just click it somewhere, doesn't really matter where, as long as it's not on the intersection itself. And then we shade. We shade and then see how intersection actually shows up. As soon as it shows up, we could just click again. And to shade, we actually just use this touchpad right there. Right? Okay, and now we found a point. X value, Y value. The X coordinate is the solution. So solution to our problem on this page, this one, 5 times absolute value of 3x plus 2 equals to 20x plus 25 is x equal to -1. Now absolute value problems can have obviously just one solution, they can have 2 or none. Now, if in this case, if we did it algebraically, we would find 2 solutions. And then when we check those 2 solutions, one of them would be extraneous, which means one of them wouldn't work, right? But -1 will check out and it would be one that we actually use. So in this case, we found one solution, we've solved graphically, and the solution is -1. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click like. Make sure you subscribe if you didn't already. If you did, I appreciate it. And as always, don't forget to smile.